How to delete your Cash App account. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Cash App account. In order to delete your Cash App account, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and then to log in into your account. So once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and once you're on the home page, click on the profile icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. After that, it's going to take you to the profile page. Over here, scroll down a bit, head over to the section of support. After that, you'll be able to find multiple options, so click on something else. So before you delete your, make sure to withdraw all your amount that is stored on your Cash App balance. So after that, click on Cash App and then withdraw it to your bank account or maybe to any other sort of platform. After that, once you've done that, scroll down a bit and then go to close my Cash App account. So this is going to take you to the Cash App page where you'll be able to see all sort of statements. So go through it and click on the confirm button, and you'll receive a statement stating that the account has been completely closed. In this way, you can delete or close your Cash App account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.